Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to drag and drop an instrumental in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can find the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started dragging and dropping our instrumental. So basically guys, if you have your instrumental on your iPhone that you want to use for your track, this is how to do it. Let's go ahead and open up the audio recorder right here, and this is going to open up this recording menu right here where you can see at the top of the screen we can get started with the recording process and so on. And what we want to do to be able to add our instrumental is go right here into the upper left corner and click on edit mode. It's going to open up this new mixing mode right here where we can find all the tracks that we already have. As you can see, I have my audio recorder, I also have a grand piano, but let's say I want to add an instrumental. What we have to do is now click this button in the upper right corner that has appeared, that is going to open up this new menu where we can find Apple loops and files. So under files guys, you'll see that there is an option that says browse items from the files app. So what you want to do is click on browse items from the files app, and this is where you can go ahead and find your instrumental. So guys, once you have found your instrumental, go ahead and tap on it and it's going to open it up and load it right here into your menu. And what you want to do is now go ahead and tap on it and hold it and drag it right here into the mixing mode, and now it's going to add it right here and you can use it as an instrumental. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.